Being brought forward, final call to place your bets, only waiting for Desert Gold, Classic Example, and Dalim's Joy. Set to go. Final race. The betting is closed, then the race is on. Côte d'Azur draws spoiler lead. Desert Gold running on the outside to grab the lead. Copernicus is in third. Irene's Dream viral. Then comes Classic Example. Yes, I can. As they race at a half mile. The favorite, Desert Gold, this time by 2 to 3 lengths over Côte d'Azur. Copernicus, yes, I can, then by the rail is Irene's Dream moving up. Classic Example, Nicole Toys also moving up as they race at the final corner. Without pressure in front is the favorite, Desert Gold, this time by some 4 to 5 lengths. In second, Copernicus, viral Classic Example. Irene's Dream moving up on the outside. Once again to take second. Desert Gold followed now by Classic Example, Irene's Dream, and finally it's going to be Desert Gold, Classic Example, Irene's Dream. Then comes Nicole Toys, Yes, I Can, Copernicus.
Crossing the wire first.